Hello everyone, this is Carlos Hernandez Vaquero, and I'm going to show you how the Azure ML workspace looks like once we have finished deploying everything. So just as an overview, we have the data set with the bank marketing data. We have run the Azure ML, AutoML run to get the best models, and we can see the result. When we go into here, we can go to the models and we get the highest accuracy one, which we have deployed into an endpoint. We can see here in deployed model, and if we click in here, we can see that it is currently online and healthy. And also interesting is that we have enabled application insights so that we can see if anything goes wrong. We have logs for that, and as well we have key-based authentication enabled so that the requests require a key in the authorization header. We also work with pipelines, as I explained, and if I go to this one here, we can see how it looks like. It is a very simple one. Of course, it's just doing the same, but in a pipeline running AutoML. And we can see here the results of running this. It took 39 minutes. And again, the algorithm with highest accuracy was the same in this case. We can see that the model has been registered here. And this is the version 1, and this is a very cool feature of Azure ML that we can keep track of the different versions of the models we have. And finally, I would like to make a request, an API request to the endpoint, which I showed just before, with the model for inferencing this banking thingy, so that I'm going to change to Visual Studio Code, and we will. What we are going to do is we are going to pass a couple of user profiles from customers from the bank, for example. So we see age and day of the week and all the different parameters, and the second one with different parameters, and we will see what is the output of calling to executing this this model. Interesting also is I have already configured the scoring URI. This is coming from Azure. If we go to, actually it's here down below, REST endpoint 94825, etc. is the one that's here. And the key, as I mentioned, this is authentication is enabled so that not everyone can get inferences from this endpoint. So the one I'm using is the first one over here. And the only thing we have now left to do is, we will execute this Python script, which will make the request to the mentioned URI, and we will see what the answer is. So our model says that the first user should get a credit, and the second user should not get a credit. So this is what is our model replying. And with this, we finish with the demo. Thank you very much for listening.